You know you have mold, right?
What?
Your allergies and asthma is probably from all this mold.
You think so?
Yeah. And that mold looks like it's from storm damage.
Oh, yeah. It was leaking all over last night.
You gotta call Rebuild Relief. They'll come down here, inspect your roof, tell you what's going on, and figure out where all this mold is coming from.
Rebuild Relief.
Yeah, they'll even contribute up to $600 towards your excess when you lodge your claim.
That is pretty good.
Oh, all right, I gotta get out of here.
What? Is it because you think I'm ugly when I sneeze? Because I'm not.
No, it's because of the mold. I don't want to end up like you.
It's not that.